This is an instructional video for the 400 metre walk test. The 400 metre walk test can be used to classify the severity of sarcopenia in the context of physical function and mobility. This test consists of 10 laps of a 20 metre course marked by 2 traffic cones. The traffic cones are placed 18.5 metres apart, assuming an average turning circle of 1.5 metres. The instructions you provide to your patient are as follows. This is not a fitness test. Please take a walk at a speed as if you were taking a stroll in the park, knowing you have a longer distance to cover. The circuit around both cones is 40 metres, and we would like you to complete each circuit 10 times to complete a total distance of 400 metres. So I will stand at the side of the circuit. When I say go, start walking at a comfortable pace that you can maintain. You are permitted to stop and to have a standing rest for up to 60 seconds at a time as necessary, but please resume walking as soon as you are able. If you experience new or increasing chest pain, if you feel lightheaded, if you feel confused, unbalanced, or become very short of breath, or have very sore or very tired legs, please stop and let me know right away. I will now measure your heart rate, and I will also ask you to rate your level of difficulty in breathing on a scale of 0 to 10, where 0 is no difficulty at all and 10 is a maximal amount of difficulty, so having trouble breathing. What would you rate your level of breathing at the moment? 0, great. 1, 2, 3, go. Participants begin the test at the start line from a standing position. They should walk down the corridor, turn around the cone in a continuous loop, passing the course twice in each lap. It's important to note the patient should use their assistive device if required. After each lap, the clinician should announce the number of laps completed and the number remaining. For example, you have completed 6 laps, you have 4 to go. Once the test is completed, collect post-test outcome measures, including heart rate and level of dyspnea at a minimum. Please tell me how hard you are working right now. Is it light, somewhat hard, hard, or very hard? Total time of the 400 metre walk test and the time of each individual lap should be recorded using a stopwatch. You may wish to calculate mean gait speed by dividing the distance, 400, by completion time in seconds. This will give you the metres per second walked. In the case of non-completion, gait speed should be obtained from the distance and time walked until dropout. A 400 metre walk test of greater than 6 minutes is equivalent to a walking speed of 1.1 metres per second, or slower, and indicates low physical performance. A non-completion also indicates low physical performance. The number, timing, and reasons for rest stops, such as fatigue, chest pain, feeling faint or dizzy, shortness of breath, or other, should be recorded. For more information on the 400 metre walk test, please see the how-to guide linked below.